Hello, my lovelies. How are you? Hope you're doing great. I'm glad to see you back here. And for any of the new viewers, I appreciate you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future uploads. So, I'm here with this client and I'm going to be shortening her nails a little bit. For the most part, all my clients, when they come back to get their acrylic fill, they always ask for me to shorten their nails a little bit. Some want me to change the shape. In other cases, they just want me to shorten them just a bit. She always wants them square, so all I do is just cut a little bit off the tip so they're not so long. Basically, what grew out is what I trimmed down, and now I'm going in with my carbide bit so I could get rid of all that gel polish and chrome that she had on. And I'm gonna be removing any lifting, which in her case she really doesn't get a lot of lifting. It's very rare, which makes it a lot easier and faster to do her fill, so that's good. And for this design, for this set actually, for the design part, I'm gonna be using the new chrome powder that I got from Temu, which is absolutely gorgeous. Wait until you see it. I'm gonna use it in a different way. I'm gonna use it with like a ombre effect, plus I'm also gonna be using some pigments, some like neon pigments, and the chrome as well. Plus I'll be hand painting some flowers. I'm gonna try to do a different flower this time. Usually I do the simple ones, but this one is gonna be two-tone, so stay tuned for that, all that good stuff. And yeah, keep on watching. So now I'm gonna change the bit to a sanding band bit. This one's coarse, and I lower the e-file so I could just pass it very softly. And that's to eliminate the oils of the natural nail, any dead skin, or any excess cuticle that kind of grabs the nail. Sometimes it's stubborn and doesn't want to come out. With this file, it takes that out quickly. And I'll be doing that. Then I'm gonna be disinfecting the nails and dehydrating them with alcohol, which is like the best option to do. It's so important, that step, because it eliminates all the natural oils of the nail, and it's perfect for prepping the nails as well, so the acrylic can adhere way better. And now I'm using my primer, the same one as always, by Mia Secret, and the acrylic that I use is by Mia Secret as well, in case you were curious. And I'll let you watch the acrylic application. now I'm going in with a matte top coat. I'm gonna add that to all of them because I need to do this step first, because the pigments that I'm gonna be using won't grab on to like a shiny surface or smooth surface, so it does grab onto like a matte surface. That's why I'm doing this step first, popping them in the lamp for a minute. And this one is actually by Mia Secret as well. It's their matte top coat, but you could use any matte top coat. It doesn't have to be this brand in particular. So I'm putting that in the lamp for a minute, and then I'm going in with the pigments, which in this case she loves pink. So I have a like hot neon pink that's gorgeous. Look at it right there. Super vibrant. So I use like a little brush, and this is actually a brush for makeup to put eyeshadow, and I'm using it for that because it's nice and fluffy and kind of roundish. So you just go in tapping at it on the tip of it a little bit and go as high as you want. Don't go too high because then it'll be uneven. But you start at the tip, working your way up, taking off the excess and all that good stuff. I'm gonna do that to all the nails. Then I'm gonna clean the excess with another brush, so when I go in with the top coat doesn't get messed up or contaminated. Also wanted to mention that the top coat that I'm using is a no wipe top coat, because after that's cured I'm gonna go in with the chrome powders, and the chrome powders have to be on top of a no wipe top coat. Now this is the gorgeous magical chrome that I've been loving, absolutely loving since I got it at Temu, because it goes with any color. You can put it on top of any color and it's gonna look fabulous. Look how, I don't know, like holographic, not holographic, but what is the word that I'm looking for? It's like metallic, but you can see the color underneath, and it's like a mirror effect as well because you can see your reflection on them. It's so freaking pretty. So I'm gonna put that to all the nails and then go in with the top coat again. Okay, so first here I'm gonna apply some stickers that I found of butterflies, and I thought it would be very fitting for this season and in combination with the flowers that I'm gonna be painting. I found them at a local beauty supply where they're selling nail stuff, so I got a couple of those. They're very pretty and come in different colors and different sizes, and they look pretty realistic. They don't look cartoonish, you know, so that's why I love them. So I'm gonna place those there, secure it first with the matte top coat, and then I'm gonna go in with the flowers. Don't forget to cure them first for a minute, and then I'll go in with the flowers. We were speaking about something, I think it was food related. You could see her hand moving. I can't remember what it was, but I think it was food we were like talking about, like restaurants and stuff like that. I think that's what it was. But anyway, here I go. I mixed a white color and I think it was blue. I think it was, yeah, like a nice gorgeous light blue. Put that in the brush half and half, and then I just go in with the petals. I don't know how to describe how I'm doing it. I guess I just place it, push it, and then slightly lift it so it can create a little point at the top. That's the best way that I can describe it. So to create that little fade. So that's what I do. I'm gonna add a couple of flowers to this nail and the other one. Then I'll be adding the details like I'm doing now. I'm adding the white outline on one side of the nail just to give it a little more dimension and like details to it. Then I think I'm gonna go in as well with like black little lines in the center of each flower to give it more depth, and then some dots around it. After I'm done with that, I will cure it for 2 minutes in the lamp, and then I'll put the top coat. Oh, and I also did some swirls. So here I'm putting the top coat because they're done. I'm going to pop it in the lamp for a minute, and this is how they turned out. I absolutely love them, and I'm super happy because I haven't done one of those flowers in a very long time, and I enjoy doing them. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.